Now our cream is ready, and now we are going to soak the biscuits in the milk. Now it is properly soaked, and now we are going to place inside the pan like this, one by one. See guys, it is very easy. All of us can do this one at your home, and the ingredients are also not that much expensive. You can find it easily in many of supermarkets, and you have to place it properly like this. See, one layer. This is the first layer we are going to put. Now our first layer is done, so we are going to add this cream on top of that, little by little like this, and cover it properly like this. See, now our first layer is done, and we are preparing for the next layer, and then we will do the same for the second time also. Very nicely we have to place it. See, she's very talented on this one. You can see this. We have done the same first step for 2 times, so it is having 2 layers now, and finally mash the biscuits and put on top of the final layer like this. Now all layers are placed, and now we are going to keep inside the fridge. Now we are going to make the chocolate layer. We put 3 pieces of chocolate, and we need boiling water, and once the water start to boil, we put this bowl into the boiling water, and add some once this is melted, we are going to add whipping cream. This is called double boil method. So see, now chocolate getting melted, and it's nicely mixing with this whipping cream. So like this, we have to mix it properly. This is our chocolate pudding layer that we kept it inside the deep freezer for like almost 45 minutes, and now our double boil layer we are going to add on top of this like this. So we are going to make the layer very smoothly throughout the surface on the top. like this. We have to place the layer throughout the top surface to cover full surface like this. See guys, I can smell very tasty smell now. It is fresh also. Now layering is finished and we are going to garnish from the cashew nut on the top like this. 5-6 pieces of cashew nut will enough for this size of pudding. So it will make it very colorful, nice. Now our biscuit pudding is finished with the garnishing, and we have to keep this inside the fridge for 10-15 minutes to set, then we can serve it. So let's keep it inside the fridge and take it out. So we are going to cover from the transparent sheet like this, so no harms will happen on the layers before keeping in the fridge. Now after 15 minutes inside the fridge, this is properly set, and now we are going to have a bite, guys. Let's see. So guys, now this is our delicious yummy biscuit pudding is ready, so you can have. So this is very tasty. Now I am going to have a bite, and guys, if you like my video, you can share this one, you can like, you can comment, and if you are having any issue how to make this one, I am here to support you, so you can share with everyone, and please comment and like my videos. Thank you very much.